Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to disable live chat on YouTube. Now I want to find out if it is possible to disable live chat on YouTube. So let's go. We'll start by clicking on our profile icon at the bottom right, and then we click on we tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open up our settings, and then we'll go to live chat. This is live chat. Tap on it. As you can see, there's only one option under live chat, and that is to hold for review, and that's for potentially inappropriate messages being held for review in the chat. So there is no option for disabling live chat. So as we can see, it is not possible to disable live chat on YouTube as of now. So it might be possible in the future, but for right now, as of 2024, December 2024, it is not possible to disable live chat on YouTube. Hope this answers your question, and I hope you find this useful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this which we put up every day. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.